Micron. The environmental impact report is 719 pages long, detailing how Micron's project in Clay will impact that town and surrounding areas. With Micron preparing to break ground in the fall of this year, Onondaga County officials are encouraging neighbors to look at the report. Some highlights include plans to not only build the chip fabrication facilities, but also a child care center, a health center, and a rec space. And new estimates show the addition of more than 23,000 households in Onondaga County by 2041. Team coverage is on the way. We begin with the rally that was held in Syracuse today, as neighbors look to hold Micron accountable and call for a longer review period here. CBS 5's Rachel Culver is in the studio now. Rachel.
Michael, more than anything, today's message was about time and the overwhelming sense that there's just not enough of it. 6 weeks to weigh in on a project that could shape Central New York for decades. Now, advocates are asking for an extension. Standing in a steady drizzle, a message, loud and clear, on Montgomery Street.
Make Micron do right!
Make Micron do right!
Make Micron do right!
Industry experts and concerned community members forming a united front in downtown Syracuse.
After decades of broken promises and false assurances, companies that have treated us essentially like a resource colony, and left us with decades and decades of toxic pollution. A beautiful lake, a world historical site that is a toxic waste dump. We can't have this happen anymore.
The goal, holding Micron accountable and extending the period of public input on the recently released impact report.
45 days just doesn't seem like enough time to really review this really important document that's going to impact all of Central New York.
A petition with over 1,500 signatures has now been delivered to the Onondaga County Industrial Development Agency, backed by local, state, and national organizations, focusing on everything from environmental justice to labor rights.
The concern is that it's not going to be enough, and that if they really mean to have public engagement, that they would, make that easy for the public by extending that and really holding multiple hearings.
Elaine Denton is a mom of 3 and longtime Central New Yorker. She came out to support the extension for public input.
I think it's important for people to be loud right now and make sure that their opinions are shared. And we saw with the I-81 project, with the community input, that community input did matter, and that then concerns were addressed. With that precedent, hopefully that process will continue with Micron.
In total, the petition handed to OSIDA today asks for 120 days of public comment and 5 public hearings. As of right now, 3 sessions of public hearings are scheduled, all on July 24th. If you have a written comment to make, send it to chipsnepa@chips.gov. In studio, I'm Rachel Culver reporting.
Very interesting to see how much pressure OSIDA and maybe the Onondaga County Executive's office will take on this before there's a move. 1 day seems inadequate.
Yeah, people are definitely very invested in this process and want to give it more than the 45 days. They feel it deserves more.
Certainly. I mean, when I say it seems inadequate, that's from a non-advocacy position. Right. I mean, these people are passionate about this stuff, and we need more voices, not fewer voices, it seems. Thank you, Rachel.